Good morning, student. Today we will start some numericals related to the Ohm's law from chapter electricity of class 10. Ohm's law, V is equal to R. This is the formula which is derived by the Ohms. First question: how much current? Current mean I. How much current mean what we have to find out? Current we have to find out. I current. I is question mark which we have to find out. Means this is to find of an electric bulb. Electric bulb is an appliances which has some resistance, and inside the bulb there is a filament, and that filament is made up of tungsten which resists some electric current from 220 volt source. 220 volt source means this is the source of energy. It means potential difference is equal to, which is equal to V is equal to 220 volt. If the resistance of the filament which is used in electric bulb, the resistance is equal to R is 200 ohm. Now I have to find out current. If we draw figure, this is the bulb, and here is the symbol of bulb, and current is flow I. This having the some resistance R, and the potential difference across its end is 220 volt. Here is the current, plus and minus. So I we have to find out. This we have to find out. It is given, and it is given. And according to Ohm law, according to Ohm law, what was V is equal to I R. V is equal to IR, where V is the potential difference, I is the electric current, and R is the resistance. And from here, what we have to find out? We have to find out I. So that means V upon R is equal to I. So that means I is equal to V. What is V? What is V? Then I is equal to, what is V? 220 upon what is R? 1200 ohm. And this is volt. And this will be cut. This will be cut. This will, and 11 and 60. So 11 upon 60, and this is ampere. And we will write directly the ampere. 11 upon 60 ampere. If you want to convert it to decimal, then we have to divide 11 by 16. That will be 0.18 ampere. That means 0.1 ampere, 0.18 ampere of current pass through the circuit which having the potential difference of 220 volt, and the bulb which has the resistance of which one? 1200. This is your A part. And now second part, how much the current will draw? Again the question is how much current? Again we have to find out the current, question mark. Will an electric heater coil from a source of 220. Potential difference is same if the resistance of the heater is 100 ohm. And now this current we have to find out. Potential difference is 220, and the resistance is now will be changed. What is the resistance? This resistance is now second B part, and it is your B part. And this will be 220, and here is 100 ohm. And now from according to Ohm law, again we have to apply. V is equal to IR. That means I is equal to V upon R. And I is equal to, what is V? V is equal to 220 upon what is R is 100 is equal to 2.2. What is this? Ampere. Ampere is the unit of current. Simply we will write A capital, but we have to write in capital A. It means when we reduce the resistance for the same potential difference. If we decrease the resistance at the same constant potential difference, the current will increase. It means current is inversely proportional to the resistance. More resistance in first case, current is less, and in this resistance, in this case, resistance is less and the current is more. It means more resistance, more current, more resistance, less current, and less resistance, more current. Why? Current is inversely proportional to the resistance. And now move to second question. And now second question. The potential difference means voltage V, potential difference between two terminal A and B. Potential difference is always counted between two terminal of an electric heater. This electric heater is an electrical appliances which has some resistance R is 60 volt. It means potential difference. This is potential difference is equal to, what is this? 60 volt. When it draw a current of 4 ampere from the sources, it means potential difference is 60 volt and the current is equal to 4 ampere. It means an electric heater, now taking any symbol. This is electric heater resistance which apply the current of 4 ampere and potential difference is 60 volt, and this is R, and this potential difference is 60 volt, and we know the resistance of the same heater is same. This heater draw a current of 4 ampere at a potential difference of 60 volt. Then what is the resistance of this electric heater? If the current is passed through the circuit is 4 ampere through a potential difference of 60 volt, and this heater has some resistance, and what is the resistance of this heater? Means first we have to find out the resistance. Why? What current will the heater draw if the potential difference is increased? And now potential difference is 60, the current is 4. If we increase the potential difference, then the current will increase or decrease. Can you tell me? 60 volt having the potential difference, the current drawn is 4 ampere. If the potential difference is increased 120, then what will be the current? Either increase or decrease. Only you have to answer whether increase or decrease. It will increase. Why? As the potential difference is increased, current will also increase. Potential difference is directly proportional to the amount of current. It means here is, and the resistance of this electric heater will same. Then R resistance is equal to question mark. According to Ohm law, according to Ohm's law. What is this? V is equal to I R, and that means R is equal to V upon I, and R is equal to, what is V? V is equal to I R, potential difference, into my current into my resistance. Resistance is equal to, this I will goes downward, V upon my resistance is equal to potential difference upon my current. Whereas this is the potential difference V and this is the current I and this is resistance R. And the R, what is the value of V? Potential difference 60 volt upon my current is 4, and that will be 15. This is ohm. This is the symbol of resistance. R is equal to 15 ohm. R is equal to 15 ohm. And the resistance of this heater is constant. It is 15. The resistance will not change. And now, if the resistance of this heater is 15 ohm and the potential difference now is changed 120, then what is the amount of current? Now what is the amount of current? Again we have to apply the Ohm law. And we know very well, as we increase the potential difference, current will also increase. Then same we have to apply. V is equal to I R again. And then what we have to find out? I. V upon R is equal to I. What is V? 120 upon में R is 15 is equal to I. 15 1 and this will have to cut 8. So I is equal to 8 ampere. Now the question is saying that as we increase the potential difference, current will increase. We know the potential difference is 16 and the current is 4, and we double the potential difference. We increase potential difference 2 times, then automatically current will also increase 2 times. It means the current is 8 ampere when the potential difference is 120 volt, which obey the Ohm's law. And now move to third question. Please be noted down. And now the third question, a wire means which allowed to pass the electric current given material having the length L. A wire, this is the wire A, B, it is the length of wire, and having the cross section A. Cross section means area of cross section means if this is wire, then cross section means if we cut from here, then what is this? This after cutting the visible to this circle. This cross section, the cross section means its area. This is the cross. If this is wire, this is the cross section. It is the cross section. It means it has area A. Has a resistance of 4 ohm, and the resistance of this wire is equal to 4 ohm. Means this is the first case, means length of first wire is equal to L, resistance of is equal to 4 ohm, and area, cross section area is equal to A. This is given. And then length, resistance and area. We know resistance is equal to rho L upon A. Rho, this is rho, 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 and this is length, and this is area, and this is resistance. Means R1 is equal to rho L1 upon A1. This is the first case. Whereas this is length means L1, this is R1, and this is A1. This is for the first wire. And what would be the resistance of another wire of the same material? The wire of the same material means if the wire is made up of same material, means resistivity of AB and resistivity of CD will same. If the wire or a conductor is made up of same material, then resistivity will not change. Resistivity will not change. It means length is L2, which is equal to double of it, and area A2 is equal to 2A, and the length is half. Length is half. L by 2, and this is 2A, and this is CD. And we have to find out R2. This question we have to find out. And again the same for L2 means length. Same we have to write. L2 length of wire is L by 2 and A2 is equal to 2A, area of second line, and then R2 we have to find out, which is question mark. And again we have to apply formula. R2 is equal to rho L2 upon में A2. This is equation number second. But we have to find out R2. It means divided second, first divided by second. Divide first by second. Divide first by second. And we can do by another method also. R1 upon में R2 is equal to, what is R1? This one. Rho L1 upon में A1. Divide rho L2 upon में A2. And then R1 upon में R2. R1 upon R2 is equal to, what is, we have to do, there is divide, we have to change, multiply. Rho L1 upon में A1 multiply, reciprocal of it. When we change divide into multiply, we have to reciprocal. A2 upon में rho L2, rho L2, R1. Now put the value of, now put value of different variable. And now what is R1? 4 upon में R1 is 4 upon में R2. We have to find out. And now this row is constant. Cut. What is L1? L1 is L into A2. What is A2? This one is A2. A2 is 2A. 2 upon में A. And now A1, what is A1? A1 is A. It is A. And now L2, what is L2? Here is L2. L upon my 2. L upon my 2. And these two will go in upward. L will cut, A will cut. Then 4 upon my R2 is equal to 4 upon my 1. Cross multiply. 4 R2 is equal to 4. Then R2 is equal to 4 upon 4 is equal to 1 ohm. This is our answer. And now we can do by another method also. We can solve by another method. Is it clear? Here is another method. Or L1 is equal to L, R1 is equal to 4 and A1 is equal to A. Similarly, L1, L2 is equal to L by 2, R2 is question mark, A2 is equal to 2A. Then R1 is equal to rho L upon में A1. From here we have to find out the value of rho. Cross multiply. Rho is equal to rho into में L1 is equal to cross multiply R1 A1. Then rho is equal to R1 A1 upon में L1. This is the rho equation number first, and similarly for the second. Similarly, R2 is equal to rho L2 upon में A2 cross multiply rho into में L2 is equal to R2 A2 and rho is equal to R2 A2 upon में L2. And the row first and second both are same. Row left hand side is same, so right hand side also same. If left hand side same, right hand side also same. Now what we will do? This R1 A1 upon में L1 is equal to R2 A2 upon में L2. R1 is 4, A1 is A, L1 is L is equal to R2. Find out A2 2A, L2 L by 2, and these two will go in upward. And this A will cut, L will cut. Then what is left? 4 is equal to 4 R2. Then R2 is equal to 1 ohm. And we can do by this method also. There are two methods to solve this question. It is clear, and you can do by any method. And now suppose